Hey, welcome back, ninjas. I hope you're all having a great quarantine. I know I am. Udi Mohar back teaching you all another crazy TP body activity from the Cumming Georgia's location, Boys and Girls Club. So today what I want to teach you is how to kip up. K-I-P is how you spell it. It's that really cool move that you've seen all over the place. This is it in action. So in order to learn this move, there's a couple progressions you want to do, but before any of that, first of all, you want to have some sort of safety mat underneath you. This isn't much, but it's a towel, but you want some sort of padding just to pad your fall, of course, because you're going to have to learn this. You're going to have a couple of falls the first few times you do this. So in order to learn this, first you have to learn how to roll back, because that's the easiest way to do this. You got to get a good roll. You got to use your back, and it's got to be consistent the entire time. Almost like rolling your back straight, but you're in a ball. So just practice knees to chest and roll in a ball, and that's step one. Once you do that, next you want to learn how to get like this. And even better if you can get your feet up like this. So practice sit not on your neck, but on the backs of your shoulders. And if you can just practice balancing here, then you'll be able to kick up, which is the thrust that you need. So in order to do this, to really break it down, the movements are C, L, and S. So first is the C is the roll, L is the extending, and then the S is hooking your feet back around so that you can land feet up, or head up, feet on the ground. So in motion, what that looks like is C, L, S. And that's how you learn how to do a kick. Good luck, y'all.